Hi, I'm Jonathan. I'm working on the angelEye Roadway Guardian. The problem that I'm looking at solving is how can we make roadway intersections safer using dynamic alerts. If I have a system that's generating real-time detection of road entities, so bicyclists, pedestrians, and cars, and the system's able to provide forecasts of collisions, how might I generate awareness among these different road users? The solutions that I'm evaluating are using light, sound, or radio as ways to build that awareness. For light and sound, I'm working on a two-axis gimbal turret, and this uses Arduino, Tessel, and some other tools to make that happen. On the radio side, I'm working through the dedicated short-range communications, or DSRC, broadcasting system, which is becoming more common in newer model vehicles. I'm going to first show what I've found so far with the DSRC technology. I've acquired a white paper that describes the dictionary set that's used by many different automakers as they are doing their ongoing development of DSRC. One particular message code that is called personal safety message, and this is focused on pedestrians or vulnerable road users, including cyclists. And I've identified several key fields like path prediction, personal device usage state, so whether the person's using a cell phone, and whether the person's in a personal crosswalk. These are ways I feel that I might be able to hook into to generate awareness using DSRC and then also into the two-axis turret system. I'd like to demonstrate the progress so far with this turret that I've talked about. So what I have here to demonstrate is an Arduino Uno board connected to two different servos, so that's the two-axis gimbal system. And when I power up the board, I have to do a little bit of hand movements here to get the wire straight. When I power up the board, you'll see that the two servos do a bit of a calibration test. So as I have to do some geometry to dial in the movements and the control, but this will enable, if I put like a laser pointer or directional audio speaker on the top, I'll be able to point these at collision forecasted areas to help build awareness. The code running this Arduino board is shown on the screen. I also have I've borrowed a Tessel 2 board. This will enable me to program not in C++ like Arduino, but in JavaScript. So I'm really looking forward to testing out this board. It'll help development, I'm sure. As a visualization of what I'm hoping to achieve, if we have an intersection here and then we're detecting that there's either a potential collision or that we're trying to build awareness of pedestrians in the crosswalk, the turret can then highlight specific individuals or clusters of people to build that awareness, to make them safer. So this is a before, the crosswalk as is, and after, where there's better illumination. So that's angelEye Roadway Guardian. Looking forward to your input and collaboration. Thank you so much.